Yeah, welcome back to the campus. Today we'll take a quick but powerful look at some interesting altcoins, including Solana, XRP, Sui, and a surprise pick whose structure is looking particularly strong right now. By the end, you will know exactly where the market is headed and where the best entry points are waiting, so you won't miss the next rally this time. Let's start with Solana. And we are here on the Solana daily chart, and what we're looking at is the price action since January 25, and what we can see is an ABC correction, and the C wave, which is always a 5-wave move, looks nearly complete as we could be in the last 5th wave to the downside. And this complete looking correction in combination with other indicators such as the stochastic indicator, which is a momentum indicator which you can combine with Elliott-Waves very well, is looking also very interesting, because we are here again in an highly oversold area, and every time we have been oversold here on this indicator, you can see we had strong moves to the upside, or every time we were down here on the weekly stochastic, even in bear markets, we had strong reverse price action. And this applies not only to Solana, it applies to various different altcoins. We are in a pretty similar situation on a couple of altcoins, including Ethereum and including the big daddy Bitcoin. And what we can expect for Solana next is this area here. If we are really in a so-called wave A, which consists of an ABC structure, the next what we are expecting is a wave B corrective ready to the upside. And here is the target zone, which is not 100% precise because we have not put in a low really. So we have to wait until we really have a low in wave A, then we have the price levels a little bit more precise than this one. But we have a general area where the price could head to. And this is somewhere between 160, 190, $230, which is a typical area for a wave B. So that looks great. Now let's have a look at XRP. And we are here on the XRP daily chart, and we're looking at the price action since June 2022. And what we have is an impulsive looking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move to the upside, and we could start the 5th wave here shortly. And the target for that would be $5.23 at least of this structure. If we look a little bit more into the past, we can see the bracketed numbers. We have this structure 1, 2, and the target for a bracketed 3 is at least $10.36. I don't know if we can reach it right now, but what we can know is that this structure here looks very familiar, because when we look back into the year 2017, the same price action again, a downturn with a wick to the downside and then a skyrocketing move to the upside out of nothing. And yeah, it's XRP, and XRP tends to surprise everyone. So of course I cannot promise anything, but the potential is here at least. So next one, Sui. Yeah, and we are here on the Sui daily chart, and what we can see is the price action since January 25. And this structure here looks very similar to the one we have seen on the Solana chart. We also see a possible A, B, and now a C wave to the downside. And this C wave also looks pretty complete, as we have seen a 1, 2, 3 waves down, now maybe a 4th wave, and now a last lower low into this support zone. Can I guarantee it that we see this last leg to the downside? No, I can't guarantee anything. Markets can do anything, but I can tell you that this move is a move which is highly probable at least, and the support zone for this last move is located between 84 cents to $1.02. And here is a cluster of Fibonacci retracement levels. So I would like to see the price testing this area here before we start a B wave rally, and this B wave rally could bring us into the region between $2 and $3, $4. It depends a little bit how low we will go here, then these levels will be adjusted a little bit. Yeah, and if you don't want to miss any future analysis on Bitcoin, on crypto, on stocks, on precious metals, then subscribe to the channel and help me to grow this brand new channel and to push out this high quality content to even more people out there. Thank you. Yeah, and now we come to the promised surprise pick, and it is BNB here on the daily. Why do we like BNB? Because BNB provides reliable structure, and that's what we like. We focus here on market structure, and what we want is reliability. And what we can see is the price action since June 2024, and it was a 1, 2, 3, 4. And what we are expecting now, of course, is the fifth wave here to the upside, and the chance to get there. For this chance, we need to do one thing. We need to keep the price above the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, which is located at $738. And the target zone for this fifth wave is somewhere north of $1,500. Yeah, and I hope you liked this analysis of different altcoins. And if you want me to analyze any other asset, just let me know in the comments and I will do it for you. Have a nice day and ciao, ciao.